back to the channel. It is your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is back again with another hair video. You guys, I know I have been gone for a while, and I am back on YouTube with this very beautiful feather crochet hair from ISEE Hair. You guys, can you take a look at the curls on this hair? Can you see the juicy tight curls on this hair? ISEE Hair, you guys know what you're doing. This is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, can you see the curls on this hair? This is the feather crochet hair, the kinky coily feather crochet hair in 16 inches, sent to me by ISEE Hair. And you guys, this is gorgeous. This is so beautiful. I love it so much. If you guys want to see how I was able to install this hair, how I was able to do the miracle knot style, because guess what, guys? The Miracle Knots hairstyle is going viral on social media. And if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, how I was able to install this beautiful kinky feather crochet hair from ISEE Hair, then girl, you need to continue watching this video. Remember to give my video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Now let us dive right into today's video. Alright guys, like I mentioned earlier, today's video is sponsored by ISEE Hair, and one thing I love about ISEE Hair is their packaging. You guys, ISEE Hair, they always eat with their packaging, and these are all the goodies that came with this hair: cards, you know, and headband. And this is the feather crochet hair. You guys, they sent me 5 packs. The kinky coily feather crochet hair in 16 inches. Guys, can you look at the curls on this hair? Can you see how tight and juicy these curls look like? It is so beautiful. You guys, I went to the hair salon to get my hair done, and I have done this style a couple of times on my channel. And this is how you want to do your braids. At the bottom, you see that I have some knotless braids, and then in the middle you guys can see that I have some cornrows, and then the hairstylist is just going to do like a little bit of knotless kind of braid thingy, but this is with my natural hair. And one thing I love about this miracle knot hairstyle is the fact that you do not have to use any attachments, any cankillion hair or whatever they call it. You don't need any attachments for this. You can use your natural hair and you're good to go. You guys can see my stylist. She's adding the feather crochet hair to the base of my natural hair. Yeah, you guys can see that she added the feather crochet hair to my natural hair, to the ends of my natural hair. And this style is just really easy, really simple. I love this style so much because it is, you know, budget friendly without the attachment thingy. It is just amazing. So yeah, as you guys can watch in the video, it's basically the same thing she's doing, braiding my natural hair and adding the feather crochet hair to the base of to the ends of my hair. And you know, this is how it is looking now. After adding the crochet hair to the ends of my natural hair, you're going to use the crochet on the natural hair, as you guys can see. So she's using the crochet on my natural hair just to fill it up and to give like this knotless braided look with hair extensions. Yeah, you guys can see this is self-explanatory. I'm very sure you guys can see what she's doing. Just add the crochet hair to, you know, to your natural hair that is being braided. You can add 3 or 4 pieces of the crochet hair to one strand of hair. That way you can, you know, have a very full look. And I used all the 5 packs on my hair, and you guys, this hair came out beautiful. It came out full. It is so lightweight. I love it so much. You guys, this is the finished look. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this beautiful? I love it. It is so cute. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the hair. What do you guys think about this beautiful hair? I have not applied any hair products to this hair. No water, no mousse. This is just how the hair looks straight out of the box. And you guys, you cannot tell me that this isn't gorgeous. You can't tell me that this isn't beautiful. You guys, can you see how beautiful this looks like? This is so gorgeous. I am in love with the curls. I am in love with this kinky curls, you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to do a little bit of baby hairs. Just use my edge control and just slick back this baby hair so it looks tidy. Yeah, I think this is way better. You guys can see that this miracle knot hairstyle, it is one of the most easiest hairstyle. You don't have to use any attachments on your hair. You can use your natural hair and then attach your feather crochet hair to it and you are good to go. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Guys, can you see how it looks like at the back? Guys, can you see? You guys, I think this hair is beautiful just the way it looks like, but I want to show you guys how you can, define the curls a little bit. You are just going to use your spray bottle with water and also some mousse. I am almost out of my mousse, by the way. So you just need a spray bottle with water and also some mousse. You're going to put that on the hair. You're going to use your detangling brush out the curls a little, and you're gonna get like a very beautiful look. So that is what we're going to go ahead and that's what we're gonna do now. Hi guys, so I'm gonna try and do different styles with this feather crochet hair. Okay, so you guys would know how to style your hair. So this is the middle part style. You can wear your hair like this. It is so cute. Yeah. Guys, this hair is so soft. No wonder the name of this hair is feather crochet hair, because this hair is so lightweight. It is so soft. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my head right now, and it is so versatile. You can do different styles with this feather crochet hair. You guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. The hair is so lightweight. Guys, just look at the curls. Can you see the juicy curls? Look at the curls on this. Can you see the beautiful curls? Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And you guys, make sure you buy this feather crochet hair, this kinky coily feather crochet hair from ISEE Hair. Like I mentioned earlier, this hair is in the length 16 inches, and you guys can see 16 inches is quite long, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful. You guys can see how juicy these curls look. These curls are so beautiful. Make sure you click the link in my description box. You're gonna go to ISEE website and you're gonna buy this feather crochet hair, and you're gonna make this miracle knot hairstyle or any other beautiful style, and you are going to love it. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys. Bye.